शिक्षा सिर्फ सिखाने की प्रक्रिया नहीं है, बल्कि ये सीखने की भी प्रक्रिया है। लंबे समय तक शिक्षा का फोकस इसी बात पर रहा कि छात्रों को क्या पढ़ाया जाना चाहिए, लेकिन हमने फोकस इस बात पर भी शिफ्ट किया कि छात्र क्या सीखना चाहता है। आप सभी के कलेक्टिव एफर्ट से नई राष्ट्रीय शिक्षा नीति तैयार हुई है। अब छात्रों को यह बड़ी सुविधा मिली है कि वो अपनी इच्छा से अपनी पसंद के विषयों का चुनाव कर सकते हैं।
Basically, there is a lot of debate and people are concerned about the National Education Policy 2020, which was brought by the Government of India. And it was hurriedly implemented in the state of Karnataka. So, a lot of issues were there, like various aspects. And as far as curriculum is concerned, and trying to distort the history and trying to incorporate personal agendas and trying to spoil the young minds with various unrelated and uncertified issues, because there should be some substance and some acceptance to bring in certain aspects. They cannot take individuals' personal views and try to implant into young minds or all these things. So with all these things, there's various other issues also, and without proper planning, without proper infrastructure building, without proper faculty requirement met and all these things, it has been implemented. So we are going through a lot of deliberations since 2 months, and we are going to bring in a change. So we can't do it hurriedly like the way they did. So we are going to go with the proper direction, and proper intention is there to make it inclusive, and it should have that secular fabric. See, ultimately when you copy something from abroad, it is meant to that particular place. It has to suit to our requirements. We have to suit to our situations. So localized. See, localized, and we are very particular about employability options also. Not that we are going to go back to historical feelings. No, we are looking at the future also. But at the same time, we have to retain our culture. No? Our values have to be there. Our human values have to be there. We have to be secular fabric. We have to take everybody along. We cannot just bring in something and do it. So all these aspects have been thought, and we are going to rather see how we are going to consult. We have already doing the consultation process is going on. So we have to fix a time frame to formulate this thing. And once we do that, then we'll see what the modalities of implementation. It cannot be implemented overnight. This is not a small thing, and existing batches will be there. We have to keep their interest in mind. Already 2 years they have gone through NEP. I cannot just withdraw them. It cannot be. See, student interest is ultimately thing. So anyway, any transformation which has to happen in a systematic way. So that is what we are looking at.